Touchdown! Here at CV Premier BGC. There! That's my beauty haven. Very special ang visit natin today dahil kailangan maging fresh, young looking at very, very beautiful. Siyempre, ako ay kokoronahan na Mrs. Universe Philippines sa August 10, 2025. Kaya naman, with the help of CV Premier, gagawin natin today ay ang CV Salmon DNA. Nako, ito ang pinaka-latest na pampa-fresh, pampabata. Yung parang magiging fetus na kayo kapag ginawa nyo yan. Kaya check this out. Tingnan natin kung paano ginagawa ang CV Salmon DNA. Let's go! So this time, nilalagyan na ako ng Emla cream or topical anesthesia kasi multiple injection daw siya. So para iwas sakit at iwas ninig, ayan, sabi ni Doc, syempre ang mga doktor kapag nag-i-injection, ayaw nila yung gumagalaw ka. So, mahalaga ang maglagay ng Emla or topical anesthesia.
So yung salmon DNA, that's usually recommended to hydrate the skin, address the fine lines, and then also in a way to correct the discolorations or pigmentations of the skin. So this falls under biostimulators, meaning it will try to stimulate your own skin to produce your collagen. It's derived from the salmon, particularly the sperm. It is found out that the protein is actually similar to the human skin.
Kailan makikita yung results, Doc?
In the next couple of days, notice na parang mas supple yung skin.
Mas babata.
Yes.
Magiging sanggol na.
Close. And then also yung pores, finer na siya.
Sobrang excited na ako dito sa procedure na to na CV Salmon DNA. Kasi sabi ay babata daw ako ng todo. Preparing na ako para maging Mrs. Universe Philippines 2025. O diba, baka pagkatapos nito sa sobrang pagkabata ko, akala nila ang ika-crown nila ay Little Miss Philippines.